One of the most popular questions asked from beginners in print-on-demand business, that is where we can promote our products and our designs to be found and to get traffic to our stores to get more sales. In this video, I'd like to show you 8 different places where you can promote your print-on-demand designs and your products professionally to get found and to get more sales. And let's begin with the first place that you have to think about is definitely social media. Of course, millions of people visit social media platforms daily, thus you can make the best of that huge traffic to promote anything you want, including print-on-demand products. And of course, social media not only for selling your products, but also for brand awareness. And in this channel, I always talk about how to promote your print-on-demand products or any other product through different social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. You will find this big list below in the description box. And now let's move on to the next place where you can promote your print-on-demand products, which is YouTube. Of course, and with no doubt, the biggest video player in the internet is a perfect destination for any business owner to promote anything you want, like affiliate products, courses, print on demand, and so on. All you have to do is you can provide valuable content and promote your merch store link in the description box in any video you upload on YouTube. Moreover, there are some print-on-demand websites that allow you to connect your YouTube channel to your store in that website. Therefore, you can share your designs and your products professionally to your followers and your subscribers, like in Teespring or Spring Shop or Spreadshop from Spreadshirt.com. And now let's move on to the third place where you can promote your print-on-demand designs professionally. That is TikTok. Of course, TikTok is a part of social media world. However, TikTok leads the most influential post style, which is short videos. And the fastest way to promote your business and your products is TikTok. All you have to do is you can create available content, short videos in your TikTok account, and direct your customers and your followers to the link in bio that contains your merch store link. And by the way, I would like to tell you a funny story about an Arabian TikToker who lives in the United States. He provides a content about her and her mother. And one of the most hilarious sayings from her mother is that Liltik Soda, which literally means your night won't be black on your head. It's a funny form of a threat, a traditional Arabian slang. And the people react so well to that saying that motivates this TikToker to create her design, Liltik Soda. She started her merch business using TikTok. So if you have any business, you have any product, just start your TikTok from now on. And now to move to the fourth place where you can promote your print-on-demand designs, which is your blog. Of course, if you're a writer or a blogger, you can use of your articles to promote your print-on-demand designs. You can insert some banners, some images of your designs and your products in your articles, as long as they are related to your content that you are providing on your article. And of course, I don't mean that you have to on a website, domain, and so on. You can use some free plug like blogger.com, Google site, or you can insert your articles on medium.com. Okay, you can promote your designs and your products in your articles. And of course, I have talked about that amazing trick to promote your designs and your products. You'll find this video below in the description box. And now let's move on to the way number 5 to promote your print-on-demand designs professionally. That is email marketing. I always believe in that money in the less. So if you are a business owner and a product owner, the biggest way and the fastest way that you can convert many customers, get more sales, is email marketing. And of course, you can get this email list from other channels like from social media, from your blog, that you can create your email list from your loyal customers. Therefore, you can send your campaigns to them promoting your print-on-demand designs. Or you can scrap some emails from social media profiles using some other external tools like from Instagram. You can use some Instagram scrapper emails, scraps email from the profiles. Therefore, you can create your own email list. Then you can send your campaigns to them. And here's the most important thing here. Just don't use your generic email like yahoo.com, gmail.com, or hotmail.com. just you can use a professional email that sounds like info@cat lovers club or admin@dogdvt.com and so on. That makes you a real professional business owner. And now let's move on to the way number 6 to promote your print-on-demand business. That is podcast. And of course, if you love listening to some popular podcasts out there like the Ben Sharibo Show, The Daily, The American Life, The Normal Gossip, Are You Garbage, and so on, you could find in the description of any episode a lot of links. Some to other channels where you can listen to the same podcast like Spotify, and some links to the sponsor of that podcast. And the most important link is the merch store link as a monetization way of that podcast. So if you host a podcast, just you can promote your print-on-demand designs using your episodes. And now let's move on to the way number 7 to promote your print-on-demand designs. That is influencers. Of course, you can get help from influencers to shout out of your products to thousands and millions of followers. However, you have to be careful to select the right person. He would be able to convert his followers to purchase your products. And that way is more expensive than all other free tools and free ways. And finally, the way number 8 is using Google Ads. And of course, that way works for upcoming occasions, for trending niches, for trending events. Just you can create your designs and your products and using a landing page or your own website and your blog. Therefore, you can use Google Ads to promote that website or that landing page. Now you have known 8 ways to promote your print-on-demand designs and your merch through 8 different ways like blog, YouTube, TikTok, social media, podcasts, your blog, Google Ads, and so on, to get found and to get traffic to your stores to get more sales. Thus, from now on, start promoting your designs and your products everywhere to show the people your skills and your creativity and increase your profits in print-on-demand business. And as I said before in the beginning of this video, I always talk about different ways of marketing and promotion your products, whatever they are, digital product, affiliate product, print-on-demand products, and so on, through social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, and so on. So you'll find this big list below in the first comment and the description box. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.